Doing it this way, I mean, he hears all of us talking, and he understands that we understand what's going on because we're trying to figure out who's going to explain what part. And then when we actually go through it, I mean, somebody can just start and say, "This is the main handling station."
This is the main circuit for the handling station. And then the general control circuit for the initial station. It's 24 volts DC. We have multiple sensors here, which are the inputs. These four here are inductive, which denote the positioning of the pneumatic cylinders. This input here is an optical sensor, which initiates the whole process and indicates when a puck is in the proper positioning. These are outputs here, which are the relays that directly relate to the pneumatic valves, multi-positional valves.
The handling station is the first piece of equipment to touch the puck. The handling station's job is to move the puck to the conveyor. It takes 3 signals to start the sequence. If both cylinders are in the retracted position and the optical sensor detects the presence of an object, it starts the sequence. It's this sequence combined with the signals from the sensors indicating the positions the cylinders are in that tells the handling station what to do next and when to start the conveyor.
Reaches the final position, it then comes over the conveyor belt, and then the gripper releases the puck.
And that gripper releases that puck. The conveyor will start. When this releases that puck, it activates the conveyor. The conveyor starts up and sends it right on down to the inductive sensor.
From its initial position to its destination, the puck will either go past the inductor sensor to a reject slide.
So from here in the logic, you got your inductive sensor off the I6 input, which is going to your Q6 output to the solenoid. You've got your latching relay here, which goes to your on-off delay timer, set for 1 second. So basically,
The signal for the solenoid starts from a pulse as a metal puck passes the induction sensor and is turned into a continuous on signal from the latching relay to a delay on-off timer for the solenoid arm, or to the optical sensor that starts the packing station.
Down the conveyor belt. If it's inductive, it's triggered by the inductive sensor, which then sends a signal to the solenoid, which sends it down the slide. If it's not inductive, it then goes on to send a signal down here.
Here, the top of the package is placed and pressed into the bottom puck before ejecting out into a collection bin.